Hey guys, I just want to give you an update on what I've been doing, just so you know where you're at in all the videos that I'm going to be doing. So I said, I put out a bulletin, I don't know if anyone reads those, said I have like 50 videos in the queue. That's an exaggeration, but I'll show you all the videos I have. But I'm starting to finally work on my website, which you can see here. It's actually online live at squarebracket.com, that's square-bracket. And you can come here and you can take a look as I build things with it. I did this today. As I build things, I'm going to continually update this link, so you can just keep taking a look at the source. I'm going to try and keep everything really well commented, so if there's things here that you like, you can see, like for example, there's a hover, there's a drop shadow when you hover here, how to get these lines here, that kind of thing. These videos are actually pulled in from YouTube. If I actually, here I'll show you this. In script, let me refresh. In sqb.js, you can actually see the code here of, I don't know why I'm showing it there. I have the codes sitting right here. You can see that code though. You can see how I'm pulling in those YouTube videos. So here's the YouTube API right there. I'm gonna do a video on that. I just haven't got around to it yet, but you can see it implemented here. And there's going to be a lot more cool stuff. So I did one tutorial on these swiping. Well, this is actually where that's going to be used for real. So basically, you can come here and take a look around. And then I'm also going to make a backend, and I'll give everybody a free log into the backend while I'm building it until I start putting real content in there. But I made a backend system that I really, really like. It's not a whole system. It's just kind of an interface for a backend that's going to be coupled with a framework that I'm working on. So that'll just be really cool, and you can take a look at that as well. Anyway, just take a look around. In terms of the videos that I have coming up to do, this is my list. I actually just did this one earlier. Let me finish that. Okay, so fancy zoom. I've been asked to do a fancy zoom video. Make random images uniform. Basically, that is so if you take a look at auto, wonderful. So if you take a look at this website, one website that I'm working on, all these images are actually completely different sizes and different places, and I'm actually using CSS to crop and round those corners off to make them look like icons, because this is an app store. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And then I'm going to show you the basics of mixing PHP and JavaScript. I'm going to do an entire PayPal shopping cart integration. It's actually really simple and can be done in 10 minutes. Well, now 15 minutes. Custom scroll bars. We're going to do live filtering of elements on the page. So as you type, elements on the page actually get filtered. We're going to fade out entire sections of the website. MySQL has some really cool built-in functions we're going to go over. How to make this curved search box right here. We're going to go over that. PayPal, Payments Pro, Payflow Pro. We're going to go over its APIs. PHP blur directory. So that's the video I did the blur on, just didn't do the directory yet, so doing that. I've learned how to do the bit.ly private API and the Twitter API and the YouTube API, so I'm going to show you how to use those APIs plus their public APIs. How to make a polling system. This is going to be a paid video. This polling system, it's a massive undertaking, but basically it'll allow Facebook type messages where they just kind of pop up and show. So that'll be a paid video. How to make a fully SSL page, and that's just using Firebug, and then Canvas reflection, so that's going to be more into Canvas. So anyway, this is just what's coming up, and there's going to be a feature of the website that I haven't gone through yet, but that'll actually let you guys submit videos that you want me to do, and then they'll go into a queue. But anyway, that's the website, that's what's going on, and look for that. Thanks.